5A Systems has cherished and launched the lines of high-end fingerprint products. The TS6000 is dubbed the king of speed identification, using the most advanced fingerprint technology available today. This product is dedicated for wooden doors. The TS6000 fingerprint lock is designed subtly to be delicate with monolithic copper alloys and 4 different opening functions: fingerprint, code, magnetic card, and mechanical lock. The TS6000 can install more than 500 fingerprints and 100 passwords and more than 100 magnetic cards. In addition, the TS6000 is equipped with 2 anti-piracy mechanisms in any forms. The TS6000 uses 4 AA batteries, which operate up to 6 months. It is supported by micro USB ports to upgrade the version and prevent any unforeseen events when you forget to replace the battery. However, the TS6000 will emit a voice to remind users to replace the battery during the remaining 1 month. Now, you will not have to worry too much about your forgetfulness. The TS6000 has a size of 350 by 75 by 30 millimeters. The thickness of the door jamb stud is suitable for assembling this lock in at least 3.6 millimeters. Now I will instruct you on how to install the TS6000. TS6000. With the outstanding features of these products, please feel free to contact us at the website 5asystems.com. For more detailed information and installation instructions, please visit 5asystems.com. Thank you and see you again.